So once again, we've tested now, and you should have seen this work fine. Now, I created the joke array. What I now want to do is I want to load, instead of messaging boxing, I want to load those jokes and those answers and those numbers into my joke array. So instead of message box, I can keep that if we like, that's a nice way of removing a line just temporarily without deleting it. What I've done is I've comment lined it. So I've turned it into a comment line. We talked about those earlier. In fact, what I could do is, while I'm comment lining it, so I know what it did, I'll say test line to make sure index for array worked. There we go. Now I know what it was, just in case I want to bring it back later. Okay, so I now want to get these indexes to load up my array. Very simple then. I go joke array, open brackets, and that first one is going to be my fields. So count fields, comma, count rows. So now I have my joke array ready to be used, is equal to, and remember that what we actually did is we used a message box that said to display the contents as it was being read of each field. Yep. And that was current field. So I just go current field. Okay. I'm going to save that, test it. It go, nothing should happen, which means it's worked because there's been no errors. Okay. If something had gone wrong, and maybe I got those the wrong way around, by now I'd be looking at something like an index out of range error, meaning it's tried to store where the index of the array doesn't have a range. Yeah. If I put the X and Y around the wrong way. Now, but I haven't, so that all works. Okay. Save the thing again, just to be on the safe side. I'd like you to do the same. Away you go.